Why don't senior citizens apply for bathroom remodel grants? Because the last time they tried to install streaming, they ended up with a leak. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on bathroom remodel grants for seniors. Tip 1. Familiarize yourself with government grants. The US government offers grants for seniors to help with bathroom remodeling. Check out the US Department of Housing and Urban Development's Guide for Home Improvements. There are also state-specific programs that you can apply for. Study these options carefully, understand what they offer, and see if you qualify. Tip 2. Check with the area agencies on aging. Local agencies on aging can provide information about community-based financial assistance for aging-related home modifications. These agencies, also known as AAAs, are your entry point into the aging network. Tip 3. Look for non-profit organizations. Aside from the government, many non-profit organizations offer assistance to seniors who need help with home repairs. Organizations like Rebuilding Together and Habitat for Humanity are worth considering. Tip 4. Research the Veterans Directed Home and Community-Based Services Program. If you're a veteran, this program, also known as VDHCBS, can provide funds to remodel your bathroom to make it safer and more accessible. The program is designed to help veterans stay in their own homes, rather than being institutionalized. Tip 5. Consider reverse mortgages. If you are a homeowner aged 62 and older, a reverse mortgage can provide funds for home improvement. It is a loan against your home that you do not need to pay back as long as you live there. Tip 6. Explore Medicaid waivers. Medicaid waivers, also known as Home and Community-Based Services, HCBS. Waivers and waiver-funded services are state programs that pay for home modifications in lieu of placement in a nursing home. Tip 7. Understand the USDA's single-family housing repair loans and grants. The US Department of Agriculture offers loans and grants for very low-income seniors. These can be used to repair, improve, or modernize your homes, ensuring health and safety. Tip 8. Consider personal loans. Sometimes grants and government funding might not cover all the costs of a bathroom remodel. In such cases, taking a personal loan can bridge the gap, but go for this option only after considering the interest rates and your ability to repay. Tip 9. Medicare and Medicare Advantage Plan. Original Medicare doesn't cover bathroom remodels, but Medicare Advantage plans might cover certain bathroom modifications like walk-in tubs if a doctor deems them medically necessary. Tip 10. Give attention to documentation. Whether you are applying for a grant or loan, you will need to provide full documentation. This can include income proof, medical reports in some cases, and a detailed explanation of how the remodeling will improve safety and accessibility. Keep these documents ready in advance. Tip 11. Get an assessment from a professional. Before you apply for a grant, it's wise to get an assessment from a professional. They can suggest what changes are required in your bathroom, what would be the approximate cost, and provide in-depth detail which can strengthen your application.